Got another can here for one tag benchtop review. KGM r556. This can is currently no longer going to be in production. Got a nice case. Got a wrench included. And then you've got your thank you card and a few different stickers. This can, QD mount, flash hider, has the same or similar apex system, so it will vent gas around the outside, but you can't plug them off like on the R30, R30T, other cans. So should be low back pressure. I'm eager to try this one out on my full auto also. So pretty robust QD system, really pretty solid ratchet mount. Should be a beast of a full auto rated 556 can. Probably won't get quite the sound suppression that the Otter Creek Polonium, because the apex ports here will actually increase the sound signature a little bit, but should be pretty nice. At least it's going to be a tank. It's got a little heft to it. So like, share, follow, comment. Thanks for watching, everybody.